Radish, that common and adored part of your salad, is a root crop, and it is strong or sugary in taste with a lot of juice. They are eaten uncooked, heated or preserved. The parts of radishes that are usually consumed are the greeneries, flowers, pods and seeds. 1. Radish improve detoxification. Radishes are very good for the liver and stomach, and it acts as a powerful detoxifier also. But what does that really mean? That means that it cleanses blood, removing toxins and waste. 2. Can decrease piles. Radishes are considered fiber, which means that it is composed of indigestible carbohydrates. As such a good detoxifier, it helps settle the symptoms of piles very rapidly. 3. Can improve the urinary system. Radishes are diuretic in nature, which means that they increase the manufacture of urine. Juice from radishes also cures irritation and the red-hot sensation we sometimes get during urination. 4. Radish boosts weight loss. They are also low in digestible carbohydrates, high in fiber and contain a lot of water. And radishes are therefore a very good dietary choice for persons who are determined to lose weight. 5. Lowers oxidative stress. Radishes are a major supply of anthocyanins, which are a type of flavonoids, which not only give color to radishes, but also deliver many health benefits. 6. Lower instances of cancerous cells. Also, the isothiocyanates found in radishes have a major influence on the genetic pathways of cancerous cells. They change the pathways so much that they can cause apoptosis, cell death, thus removing cancerous cells from copying. 7. Radishes raise bile levels. Also, radishes are known to endorse the manufacture of bile. Bile is one of the most significant parts of good digestion and helps to defend both the liver and the gallbladder. 8. Radishes may help treat the skin. The water in radishes also helps to uphold healthy moisture levels in the skin. Smashed uncooked radish is a good cleaner and serves as an efficient face pack. 9. Decreases kidney problems. As a diuretic, cleaner, and antiseptic, radishes help in the treatment of numerous kidney disorders. Its antiseptic properties defend the kidneys from any contagions as well. 10. Relieves symptoms associated with dehydration. Radishes are mostly composed of water, and they are a delightful way to keep your body hydrated, which is very helpful for your health. 11. Can be used to prevent disease. A half cup of radishes each day in a salad or just as a snack is nearly 15% of your daily intake of vitamin C. Consistently maxing out your daily dose of vitamin C intake can revitalize your immune system. 12. Radishes improve liver health. Radishes are particularly helpful for liver and gallbladder functions. They control manufacture and flow of bile and bilirubin, acids, and enzymes. 13. Radishes improve breath. Apart from the benefits outlined overhead, radishes work as a wholesome hors d'oeuvre, mouth and breath freshener, purgative, and metabolism watchdog.